All right. On to our HubSpot service item of the week, Craig. Ticket lists.
You know, they've been rolling out lists on other objects.
Yes.
For years, it was just companies and contacts, but now you can do deals, tickets, orders. I think you can do carts or things
Yes,
as well.
orders.
There'll be more.
Yeah.
Orders,
Yeah.
orders, yeah. And I just wanted to highlight ticket lists because you might have missed it. What's the big deal about lists of tickets? Because everyone's like, oh, I can use views. Sure. As we've been saying for years now, you originally said this, Ian, lists are the building blocks of HubSpot. And I was looking back through episode 280, which we did more than 2 years ago, Ian.
Really?
And it still all stands. What we talked about
Yes.
lists, because lists drive everything.
Correct.
Reports, workflows, dashboards, well, you can put them in views, things
Yep.
like that. And tickets now, you can create lists and then you can easily start adding onto them with those other things. Interestingly, though, I noticed when you look at the list view and all the objects, you can't actually filter by tickets or any of the other objects yet. I'm assuming that's coming.
Yep.
But
Do you think
yeah.
they forgot that option when they did the list? I think someone's
it's
forgotten to
probably
add
on a
the option
backlog
in.
somewhere. Maybe. I don't know.